Hey guys, Rachel here, and I am super excited to show you one of my absolute favorites. It is a Salem, but it's the 2025 version. Now, this is the first time I'm seeing the 2025, so I know that the interior is different, but it was my absolute favorite in 2024. So let's go from the outside and then come in, and you guys let me know. It is my favorite coach, so you guys let me know. Let's go. Alright, it is the Forest River Salem 2025 Model 22ERAS. It's got a slide over here. It's got that corrugated metal, which I love. I love the outside and the inside design change that they've made. So I really like it. But it does have the power stabilizers. You've got your on-demand, your tankless on-demand. You got your backup camera prep as well. But let's take a look inside. Oh, of course, you got your electric awning. All right, let's go. Okay, so take it all in. So one of the biggest reasons why I love this unit is because of the amount of space you have. There's no island right here, and it just opens up, and I love that. Plus, you do have somewhat of that separation from the living room area and the kitchen area. So over here, of course, we've got our bar table. You got your stools right underneath, which I love. Those stools are super comfortable. You can look out the window wherever you're at. You also get to look out the window while you're washing your dishes, which is absolutely great. It's better than nothing, but nice big sink. You've got a lot of counter space and a lot of storage space as well. Go ahead and it's got some drawers. Very nice. And then you've got your 3-burner, you got your oven, and you got your microwave up here. Super nifty. You got more storage up above as well. Over here you got your fridge, which is a really nice size. Everything you need can fit in there. And you got a pantry. Actually, you got 2 pantries. I'll show you the other one, but it goes all the way back. It's a lot of room. And I love their door. Like I said, I love their new design. This right here is pretty neat. And again, the space, the amount of space you have, because of this slide going out, it just opens right up. There's no island, so it just gives you all of that. You've got theater seating, and let me tell you, I know I say this about a lot of the theater seating, but this one is comfy. It's a reclining chair, goes back, that relaxes, and across from that you've got where your theater, your TV will go. You've got your fireplace, and it is also another pantry or whatever you might want to use it for. Let's see. There we go. So a lot of storage in here, which the more the merrier, as I say. Over here we got our bathroom in the middle, and I had to show you the archway. Love it. But I like that it goes all the way across. So a nice big shower with that natural light coming in. So plenty of space here. You got storage behind the toilet. You've got storage underneath the sink as well. I love the cut of the mirror as well as the backsplash or the wallpaper in the back. I love it. Then you got your master bedroom. So you've got a king bed. It's a VersaLift, so it would, with a button, you come right down. But I love the amount of space that you have, to get dressed, to walk around. You've got cubbies on both sides. And this right here goes into your storage down below, but you can put a laundry bag. It hangs right here. And so when you throw your laundry in, you're about to go out to go take your laundry to, the laundromat. you go and get it from the storage door outside, which is really, really, really nice. I love that. You got storage up above. And like I said, you've got cubbies on this side. You've got little cubbies on that side. And you do also have stairs to climb up on this side. Love it. Plus, of course, you got your window on both sides. But guys, tell me what you think. Now, the 2024 version is pretty much the same. Like I said, just a different interior. So this still is one of my favorite coaches. Like, I absolutely love it. It has 2 ACs. So you're going to be taken care of. You're going to be cool. You're going to be heated. I mean, it's really, really nice to have 2 ACs, especially with this size. Like, it's going to be great. You got theater seating. You got a beautiful kitchen, a big kitchen. And it's comfy. It's homey. But let me know what you think. Call, text, email. If you want any information, come see me, of course. My information is below. But guys, until next time.